All right, guys, I just came across a tool that you need to know about. This is a way where you can write articles that don't get detected by AI detectors. This is great if you want to create any kind of content and you want to save a bunch of time. Now, I would advise you to thoroughly read through it and make your adjustments. But when you think about the amount of time and the amount of stress it takes for a lot of people to just maybe you have a blog that needs more content and just staring at that blank screen, starting everything, I'm going to show you how quickly this can create a blog. Okay. You're going to love this. When you're in Blog Assistant, you're going to press create a new blog and you can select the language. Now, this is great because you can actually do it in different languages as well. I'm just going to do it in American English and you can choose the tone. I'm just going to, for this example, leave it at conversational. You can select the length of the blog in words. And so this is if you want to do a short one, a longer one. I'm going to do a really long one, 2,000 to 4,000 words, and let's see how this works. So what this blog and what they mean by blog is blog post is about. So I'm going to put everything you need to know about cold wallets. And then I'm going to put click your own let's say get the best cold wallet storage here. You don't even need to generate keywords for this. So I'm going to generate keywords and see what it is going to come up. So cold wallet, crypto storage, digital wallets, security tips. So you just click off. Okay. So max 5. Now it's going to allow you to select a number of outlines. So I can do 8, 9, or 10. Let's generate 8 outlines for this. So far, I haven't really put a lot of effort into any of this. I've just had the idea for what I want the blog post about, and it's actually generated these outlines. And so here I can reorganize things. So types of understanding cold wallets, types of cold wallets, digital security, setting up your first cold wallet. That looks good. Okay. Those are all kind of things I think people who are looking to get a cold wallet may be thinking about. And so next, I'm just going to generate blog and titles. So this will generate 2 revisions of the same blog. And once you've done that, then you can't change this stuff up here anymore. That's going to be locked. But until you've actually generated, you can actually change these like with the keywords and so on and so forth. So this is really cool. It's going to take a little while to generate it, but I'm just going to let it run because I want you to see in real time how long this takes. And then we're going to go and we're going to check the AI undetectability. So we'll be able to copy the article and check it on some of these different AI tools. And again, I'm not going to do anything to this article. Okay. This is all generated by AI, which is really cool. As it's generating, you can see that they've found some images. Now, of course, Cold Wallet, there's not a whole lot of pictures of that on Pixabay. So it's pulling things from cold, and certainly you get the theme of that. But this might be something where the images don't work well. I go into AI, maybe DALL-E, which is the AI image generator by OpenAI, the creators of ChatGPT, or I go into Midjourney and create some images for that. Okay, so this is the article. They've suggested a title all about cold wallets, secure crypto storage, and more. And this is a pretty good meta description as well. Okay, so it starts off here, cold wallets, extra layer of protection. And so you'll see that this text may need to be, if I was going to put this on a blog, I'd want to break it up. I like to have a couple sentences and then, multiple paragraphs so it's easier to scan. Obviously, there's no images here, but it does suggest some images for you. Okay. And so it kind of stripped out my URL. I just stripped it down to the base URL. So obviously I need to fix that. But apart from that, it looks pretty good. And then this one part here, I don't know what that is, but the rest of the article looks very readable and it looks like it's about it, I mean, thirdly, back up regularly. So like, first, second, third, and those are what you'd want to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the text to the clipboard And then I'm going to click on this ChatGPT or GPT-0, and I'm going to paste it in, and I'm going to agree to the terms and get the results. Look at what this says. Your text is likely to be written entirely by a human. Isn't that fantastic? Now you get 2 revisions of this, right? So it's making a second revision, and you can, of course, test that as well. I'll just test it on, oh, that's going to require a login. So let's go to maybe CopyLeaks, and we're going to paste it in here, okay? The same text, okay? And I'm going to click check. And let's see what's up with this. This is human text, okay? Did you get that? This is human text. All right, let's go to originality.ai. Oh, this is going to have have a login as well. And then we'll go to, sign up as well. Okay, but so I'm not going to go through that sign up process, but what I want you to know is that this was generated entirely by AI. And this tool, Blog Assistant, right now is available on a lifetime deal. You pay once and you can have access to it. So it's not going to have a monthly subscription. Of course, there are credits involved. So obviously, depending on how much content that you want to create. But when you look at this, I'll just read a little bit here. Cryptocurrency is becoming more popular as a digital payment. So it's essential to understand how to store it securely. Cold wallets, also known as cold storage, are one of the safest methods for this purpose. A cold wallet stores digital assets in an offline environment, making them inaccessible to hackers or other malicious actors. It's saying exactly what it is. It talks about the difference between hot and cold wallets lies in where they keep the private keys, okay? This is exactly what the difference is. So this is a great article. I'm going to be putting this on my blog. I'm going to go through it, make some changes, and, add some spaces, some images, and everything like that. But I would sincerely suggest to go to the link in the description and get this tool. It clearly will save you a ton of time, and it is not detected as AI content. This is just so freaking phenomenal. Anyhow, if you want more videos about AI, I'll leave a couple on the screen here that you can check out. And another one, I'll link to my video that's really popular right now about how to use ChatGPT to summarize YouTube videos. And that saves me personally a ton of time, and I think you'll really enjoy it too. So I'll put a link to that as well. All right, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Make sure you click the link in the description and get blogassistant.co because it's legit, it works, and it will save you a ton of time. All right, that's all I got for today. We'll see you in the next video. Make sure to get subscribed and check out my next video.